Welcome to this video. I intend to demonstrate how to find the standard deviation of an ungrouped data using direct method. Our data is found in these columns that we can see here. Next, I have already indicated what are the specific steps that we need to follow, but first, by definition, we remind ourselves variance is equals to, and this is specifically for ungrouped data, it is given by summation x minus x bar squared divided by n. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So the first step is to find the mean for ungrouped data. X bar is equals to summation x over n. Then from there we find the deviations from the mean, that is, we look for x minus x bar, and this is demonstrated clearly in the table on the left hand side. Then after that, these are the deviations, x minus 18, because our mean here will be given by the sum of the x's is 108 divided by 6, and we get 18, so that is our mean. So we get a column for x minus the mean, that is given there. Then after that, we square the deviations. So we square the deviations, x minus 18 squared, so this is x minus 18 squared. So each of the x is 20 minus 18, you square, 15 minus 18, you square, and so on and so forth, and get the total. So the total for the square deviations, the sum of that is sum x minus x bar squared, and our data gives us 70. Then from there we divide the sum of the square of the deviations by n, and n is the number of observations. In our case here, this is 6. The sum of the deviations we have, it is 70, so it means our variance will be equal to 70 divided by 6. Then from there you just get the standard deviation, which we have said it is the square root of this. So we need the square root. We need the square root of 70 divided by 6. So 70 divided by 6, if you divide using your calculator, you'll get 11.67. The square root of that should be equals to approximately 3.42, and that gives you the standard deviation of this data. Remember, this could have been found by getting the squares, so you would also have looked for x, then you look for x squared, and in that case the variance would have been given by the sum of the x squared over n minus the sum of the x's over n, and you square that. So you would have been able to write down here your 20, your 15, all of them. Then you sum them up here. Sum x is equals to 108. Then you square, we get 400 here, we get 225 here, and so on and so forth. And then you get their sum here, sum x squared, and then you will require these two now to use this formula. So either way, you should be able to get the same answer to calculate the mean or the standard deviation of for an ungrouped data. Thank you very much.